what are the four main windows of the Unity interface. Hi guys, let's describe the four main windows of Unity interface. The first one is at the center, it is the scene windows. At his left you've got the hierarchy windows, at his right you've got the inspector windows, and finally at the bottom you've got the project windows. Let's describe them more accurately. Guys, the first thing to do normally is to go to the project windows and to take some asset. So for example, I will put this asset. His name will appear inside the hierarchy windows. It is SNinja and so on. And his features are inside the inspector windows. For example, I have his position here. You know, for example, if I move this ninja in the X direction, you can see that the position has changed. Guys, where did I find this asset? Actually, I went to the asset store and I typed FreeNinja. If you type FreeNinja, you will see this asset will appear, so click on it please. And then guys, you have to download it and import it. Guys, this ninja will be our main character, I mean the player. To make the scenery, so please type 2 cube forest here, and normally you will have this asset. So click on it please once again, download it and import it on clicking here. Okay, let's do that guys. So I import and you will see in a few seconds this asset could be imported. Okay, let's do it, and normally it will appear inside the project windows. Okay guys, here it is, the 2 cube forest and all its folders needed for the sceneries. Guys, the four main windows of the Unity interface are at the center of the screen the scene window, at his left the hierarchy windows, at his right the inspector window, and below the project windows. Let's see in the next video guys. Guys, we will create the first scene.